Rob, looking at the teams, who do you think's going to win?
I can't see a high-scoring contest, if I'm honest. Because you're not great, Roche, are you?
Well, you can use those words.
And you two don't seem confident. Because I said to Freddie, you got your glasses. You went, I need all the help I can get, but unless you were blind last time, I don't know how they're going to help. So I reckon just sack it off.
Richard, your 5?
Fasten.
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 With an M?
Fasten.
Oh, dude, that so looks like an M. Oh, well, the whole thing's blown.
Sometimes it's a nice idea to write down the correct letters. That gives you a competitive advantage, I feel.
Wow,
Jessica.
I'm just going to turn the volume down.
I think a lot of our viewers will have beaten you to it.
And the target... Oh, Christ!
No, that's fine. Even that's going to be a challenge for these two. Your time starts now.
You've got to try and make 101 out of those numbers.
OK.
You don't have to use them all. You don't have to use them all.
You're saying it to me like it's obvious.
Catherine, did you get it?
Why do you always ask me first? Can you ask Miles first, please?
Sure, Miles, did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, but mine's... I haven't written anything down, so mine's in my head.
OK, fine, just do it in your head.
All right, 100.
Yeah. So you're 1 away.
Oh, is that what you do? You just go... Yes. I'm just gonna... It's 100. And I'm 1 out. I'm 1 out.
Miles, how did you do it?
I've got 102. No, what I did, I went to the bother of subtracting 4 from 5. Then I just panicked for 26 seconds. I mean, total panic. And then I added it to the 100.
Oh!
And then oh, so it could be done.
Look, I'll be honest, I've never seen this show.
Oh, really?
But I like it.
I've got 5.
You weren't playing. What was your 5, though, Roisin?
Penis.
What, sorry?
Penis.
I've got a 5.
I always spot the D. I'm sorry, Mum. So I win? We get some points?
No, because you weren't playing that one. It was Joe versus David, and neither of them spotted the D. You've got a 100% losing record on Countdown.
Yeah, I'm starting to get quite proud of that now.
Do you think you can sort of break your duck this
I've
evening?
been practising because I thought I've got up my game, it's not going well enough, so I've been doing, like, some reading. And just been doing some quick adding up. 5 plus 7, 12. Just like that. 12 plus nothing, 12.
So that was the only other one you could think of? 12.
I'm really good at 12.
Roisin, let's hear your 4 first.
Deet.
Like
if you were asking someone's details, but you were trying to be cool.
Give me...
And you only wanted half their phone number. Is it a word? No.
What do you think you're going to bring to your team?
Impending doom, a feeling of impending doom.
We've already got that feeling, so
Yeah.
just top it up a bit.
Yeah, just top it up.
I've got faith in you. I think you're going to turn this round for us.
I don't. I'll break your heart, Jonathan.
I picked her because I love the bare bones of the woman. I absolutely adore you, but we're going to fucking die.
Yeah.
If you were to win, Roisin, and no one thinks that's going to happen, but if you were to win, what would that mean for you?
It'd mean a lot. It would stop the comments on Twitter asking me if English is my first language.
I don't know what I'm doing.
OK, so the target was 434. James, did you get it?
I'm going to admit that went quicker than I thought it was going to, Jimmy, I'll be honest. Yeah, I was hoping that John was going to do it as well, secretly. and I would just copy what was on his paper. The problem with the strategy is I didn't tell John that, and he thought I was doing it. So,
What did you get?
I've got it actually.
OK.
I've actually worked it out.
You've just worked it out?
Yeah.
How did you do it?
What I did was I went 75... Just trying to look at my writing, I can't work out... I can't work out whether I've done a plus here or...
I think you have, mate. I think you have,
yeah, sorry. I did it so fast that I don't... So I did 75 plus 25.
Yeah. 75 plus 25.
Yeah.
100.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Yeah.
Plus 9.
Yeah, plus 9, I like it.
Which makes it, I think, 109, is that right? Yeah, that's what I had. And then I times it by 4.
Well, good play, good play.
Yeah,
I like
takes it to... I've got down 436,
yeah,
cool.
Well done.
And then I just did minus 7. Yeah. And then I did plus 5.
Oh, well done.
OK, so no one gets any points. No one gets any points.
What the fuck?
There is a suspicion. I'm not saying this, but the producers are related.
Just be careful, Jimmy, because if you besmirch James, you besmirch me as well.
Damn straight.
And I will not be accused of
Who are
cheating.
these producers that you're talking about? Do they want only one team on the rest of the show because they're going to get it?
They think, and they're probably way off here, but they think that they could see a piece of paper coming down. I mean, like, they use the phrase blatant. What does the acronym CHAV stand for?
Acronym. Chav. It means Chav. Someone help me out.
It's not an acronym.
It's not an acronym,
It originated from people from Chatham because they used to call them chavs. So you're talking out your arse, mate. Sorry, sir.
OK, so Jen is the greatest ever female player in Countdown history.
Wow.
Roisin is the worst. Jen has had 5 9-letter words on Countdown. Roisin once claimed she had the word news, but there was no W on the board. So the target was 410. Ramesh, did you get it?
No. But I got 419.
OK, Rob.
You're going to like this, Jimmy. I somehow have gotten worse throughout the show, and I got, literally, through effort, I got 4,500.
Sarah, did you get it?
I got 413, but I've just seen a glaring error at the beginning. That means I haven't got anything. So, but it was worth a call. But
OK, so not great on your side.
No, sorry.
Let's check in over here. Sean, do you get it?
Not close enough, no.
OK, Bill?
I'm very freaked out by the last game and getting the number, so I got 19.
You got 19. Can you show us you're working? How did you?
Yeah. I 10 plus 9, and then I thought, oh, I might have used that, and then I freaked out.
OK, this is maybe the worst maths round there's ever been. Paul Foot, you are our only hope. Did you get this?
I did actually get it.
OK, how did you do it, Paul?
Well, do we need to do it? I mean, it's trivial, isn't it? It's arithmetic. You know the answer's there. Mathematically, we can prove it. Let's just forget about it. But if you want to do it, it's 1 plus 9 is 10.
1 plus 9.
Oh, that degree wasn't wasted.
Multiplied by 50...
Multiplied by 50, 500.
Is 500. And the other 10... multiplied by the other 9 is 90.
Yeah.
Oh, but then what?
Why don't we just leave it? Let's just leave it and wonder how I got it.
No, because Ramesh wants to know.
Go on, Ramesh, you finish it off.
You could do it.
You nod it in.
You could do it.
Come on, Ramesh.
You tap it in.
Be good for your ego.
Take the 75. Do you take away the 90 from the 500?
Well, you could do. I would take it the other way and then multiply by the square root of -1. The square root of -1. But, yeah, you can do it that way.
We've done the statistics on this, and 43% of the time when you've been on this show, you've come up with words that aren't in the dictionary.
I was so thrilled when I heard I was going to be paired with Roisin again. I can't tell you. I was like, oh, I was just skipping. I've got more points on my driving licence than Roisin scored.